How to download Cuphead on your laptop or PC. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Steam. Then go to the official website of Steam. Now, on the top, you will see Store. Make sure that you are on the home page of Store. On the right side, you will see search icon. Simply tap on it and search for Cuphead. Hit on the Cuphead. If you scroll down there, you will see add to cart option. Simply choose that. From here, tap on continue to payment and your payment process will be started. Once you pay for Cuphead, that is $8.19, you will get your Cuphead on your laptop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.